today I'm going to play a vending machine. And this is you money. This is you money. See, 1, 2, 3.
How much your money? Can you count them?
7.
7?
Oh,
700
8.
yen. That's yen.
I think it's. I got this from Santa's. And make sure to like and subscribe. So I can get so many subscribers.
Okay, so where are you going to use that money?
To buy stuff.
What's that?
And I can get
What do you call that thing? What do you call this thing?
vending machine. And
It's a
this
vending
is,
machine.
yeah, my hand is sweaty. Alright,
So
what should I?
how are you going to use the vending machine? Can you teach us how to use the vending machine using that coins?
What should I buy first? The blue one, that's my favorite color, or the yellow one?
I think the yellow one.
So sometimes the money gets stuck.
Gets
So
stuck. And what
I
are you
can't-
going to do when the money gets stuck?
wait. When I buy something, it can get the refund, so I do lost my money.
So
And
can you tell me what are those drinks are in there?
that's the orange juice and
The water? And how about the other one? It's matcha. I think that's matcha. It's color green.
that's the
Okay. Can you teach us how to use?
Yeah, wait, I got a question, guys. Sometimes this one gets stuck. Alright,
Okay.
so hope you
Can you
get.
try inserting that coin?
Alright, what should I buy?
The matcha.
Soon.
Oh, and then it comes there.
And then I got a
Oh,
drink.
Can I see it? Can you show to us how does it look like? This one, that thing. Oh, that's matcha. Okay, and what's this thing?
Gabi show. This doesn't matter. You can put it here, but this only water and you gotta put it.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter because you don't have any like.
Okay.
So hard to kill. Did it kill it? Alright. Alright, and time to get my coin back. See?
Oh, that's how you get the coin back.
And I can do it infinite times. But when it's ran out, I got the.
You're going to refill. How
Yeah.
are you going to refill those things?
You don't know?
Can you show us how?
We'll open
this.
it and then boom.
And then how are you going to put it?
You gotta count. You gotta make sure it fits.
Okay.
Oh wait, you gotta make sure it's full because if that's not full, that means it's you yes. Alright now, wait, how do I kiss it again? I think I'm young. Okay. Now I have money again. And
Can you use the green one? The
this is not
coin.
green, this is blue.
No, it's green.
What happens if I
milk.
put all my money and I get off? Would that work too?
Yeah, can you try?
What happens if my money gets stuck?
Okay.
What should I buy? Sometimes it's. Now can I buy 2? Right? One? No, it runs out one at a time. But I
Only one at a time.
yeah, but I can get my money back. Make sure to count because.
Okay.
So I wish this was Santa because I really want this in Japan. I was a Japan guy.
You bought it at Japan.
Well, I think I'm super young.
Where in Japan did you bought that?
No, I give it to. I think I'm young, guys, because
Because
this was supposed to water bottle here. I keep putting this there, but wait. I
what
keep
does it
putting
says?
this thing is for butter, but I keep putting the butter here and this thing I put. I was young,
Okay.
but it doesn't really matter. What should I buy next? Should I buy on at the same time?
Can you try?
Sure. One. Hopefully my money doesn't get stuck. Wait, what? My money's stuck. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Oh my. You can barely see
Can
it.
you try to push with another coin? Push it with another coin.
Yeah, I tried it. Oh my god, it doesn't work. No! Oh my god, you can see it. Barely see it.
I think there's no.
No,
coin
wait.
stuck here.
Oh, that worked.
See?
Oh my god, it. Let's see. Oh, I got a drink. That's fantastic. So, why should wait, guys? Wait, I gotta show you a real money. I promise it's real money.
Okay.
I have a real money there. I should drink. Look, guys, I can drink at the same time.
How does it taste?
So good.
So good.
Wait, doesn't matter. What should I buy with all my money? Wait. When I what's the English of that? When I wait, okay. I put all my money here because if I lost it, it will be bad. What? Should I put back or should I buy on?
Okay, can you try to buy it all and then you try to put it
At
back?
the end, I think I'm going to make a tower of water bottle. Should I buy on or
Yeah, I think.
buy the blue one? And then buy is this one blue one? Come on. How long is the video?
It's already 7 minutes.
At 10, I'm going to end it. Okay. Oh, my two money. 8 minutes. I gotta show you something, guys. Alright, and okay. Oh shit! One of the money comes. Alright, and guys, I gotta show you something. Here's how to make the tower, so I gotta make it very quick. Wait, I'm gonna make it a water bottle. Guys, look. Make sure in the fall because it's in speed. Hopefully I don't lost it. Tell me if I lost it. No, it's going to fun. If it doesn't work, I'm going to end the video. Nah, it doesn't work in the video.
So how can you going to return it back?
What time is it?
8 minutes and 35 seconds.
When it's 10 and that, okay?
Okay.
Should I buy more? Ready for it. Wait, I'm going to cook.
How will you going to end the video? You just say goodbye.
Maybe later I'm going to play on my
Okay,
Switch.
1 minute left.
Better put. I think I put it upside down. Doesn't matter. Oh my
Okay.
god!
We're going to end the video now.
Wait. If I do this. Alright. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
You say subscribe.
Subscribe and like. Make sure to subscribe and like for more videos and more games. Wait. Oh my god.
Bye.
Bye guys.